Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Stoffer, one of the social studies teachers. Today we're going to keep diving into Chapter 11, Lesson 1, Western Europe. Landforms and Waterways. You probably have seen images of Europe on television or in photographs. Maybe you have seen a movie showing a Dutch windmill on a windswept plain. You might have watched news clips showing cyclists racing through the rolling French countryside during a yearly sports event called the Tour de France. These images show just a part of Western Europe's varied landscape. Western Europe comprises the following nations: Ireland, the United Kingdom, France, Luxembourg, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Austria, and Switzerland. Belgium, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg are often referred to as the Benelux countries. The United Kingdom is made up of England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Western Europe also includes the tiny countries of Monaco, Liechtenstein, which are a combined population of fewer than 70,000 people. Low-lying plains. Western Europe's landscape consists of plains with mountains cutting through some places. Shaped by wind, water, and ice, these landforms have influenced the lives of the region's people. Much of Western Europe lies within an area called the Northern European Plain. France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and most of Germany are located on this plain. Massive sheets of ice shaped the Northern European Plain during the last ice age, which ended about 11,000 years ago. In some places, the melting glaciers left behind fertile soil, but also thick layers of sand and gravel. Ocean waves, currents, and winds have eroded these deposits into sand dunes along some of the North Sea coastline. The glaciers also left behind areas of poorly drained wetlands along the North Sea and Atlantic coasts of Ireland and the United Kingdom. Western Europe is located at northern latitudes, but it has a milder climate than other places at the same latitudes. For example, southern France is at roughly the same latitude as Halifax, Nova Scotia, and Canada, but southern France experiences a milder climate. Why? Western Europe is located near the Atlantic Ocean. Warm winds off the ocean are primarily a factor that shapes the region's climate. Mountains and highlands. Two mountain ranges, the Pyrenees and the Alps, separate Western Europe from neighboring nations in southern Europe. Both mountain ranges divide the cooler climates of the north from the warm, dry climate of the Mediterranean region to the south. To the southwest, the Pyrenees form a natural barrier between France and Spain. The mountain ranges stretch 270 miles from east to west. Pico de Anto, the tallest mountain in the Pyrenees, reaches a height of 11,169 feet. The average height of the Pyrenees, however, is about 5,300 feet. To the east of the Pyrenees lie the Alps. Like the Pyrenees, the Alps were created by the folding of rocks as a result of plate tectonics. Then these mountains were further shaped by glaciers. The Alps extended about 750 miles along the southeastern borders of France through Switzerland, Austria, and Germany. The Alps are much larger and higher than the Pyrenees. The tallest mountain in the Alps is Mount Blanc at 15,771 feet. The Alps and the Pyrenees are geologically younger than the other mountains areas in Western Europe that have been worn down by glaciers. The most extensive is a plateau called the Middle Rhine Highlands in Germany, Belgium, Luxembourg, and France. Its highest elevations are about 3,000 feet. Temperate lowlands. Most of Western Europe lies in the path of the westerlies, strong winds that travel from west to east. The westerlies blow a constant stream of relatively warm air from the sea to the land. Why is the air so warm from this far north? The answer is found on the other side of the Atlantic Ocean, in the tropical water of the Caribbean Sea. Here an ocean current called the Gulf Stream moves warm tropical water north along the east coast of North America. The Gulf Stream then flows across the Atlantic Ocean, where its eastern extension, the North Atlantic Current, approaches the European coast. The current's warm water heats the air above it. The warm, moist air moves inland on the westerlies and brings mild temperatures and rain to most of Western Europe throughout the year. Summers are cool and winters are mild. This climate is known as a marine west coast climate. Most places that have a marine west coast climate have mountain ranges running north-south along the coast. The mountains block the warm, moist air from moving farther inland. Western Europe, however, does not have coastal mountain ranges, so the westerlies blow farther from across the eastern continent. Mediterranean climate area. Other areas of Western Europe, such as southern France, have a drier climate. A high-pressure system called the Arzos High travels north of over the Atlantic Ocean during the summer months. This pressure system pushes moist air northward. As a result, summers in southern France are hot and dry. In winter, the nearby Mediterranean Sea moderates the climate so that winters are mild or cold. Most of the rainfall occurs in spring and autumn. This is called a Mediterranean climate. All right, feel free to re-listen to the lesson if you need to, and then remember to complete your quiz. Have a great day, guys.